In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the full folder location of your emails in Outlook. Let's dive right into the process. First, open your browser and navigate to the Microsoft Outlook page. Once you're there, you'll notice a Sign In button that you'll need to click on to proceed. This is your gateway to accessing all your emails and folders within Outlook. Enter your login details on the sign-in page. Be sure to use the correct email and password associated with your Outlook account to avoid any hiccups. After entering your details, click on the Next button to continue. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the Outlook dashboard, which is essentially your home base for managing emails. Take a moment to get familiar with this space if you're new to it. Now, direct your attention to the upper portion of the dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Here, you should spot the search bar, a powerful tool to help you drill down to the exact email or folder you're after. Right next to the search bar towards the left corner is where you can see all of your folders. These are organized neatly and are designed to make your email management experience as seamless as possible. If you're looking for a specific folder, this is your spot. Simply hover over or click on the folder section and you can browse through your selection. However, if you're in pursuit of a specific file or email, you can use the search bar to your advantage. Just type in the name of the email or file you're looking for, and Outlook will work its magic to locate it for you. This feature is particularly handy when you have a vast archive of emails and need to narrow down your search quickly. Moreover, there's an additional tool you can utilize that might often go unnoticed. Look to the right corner of the search bar and you'll find 3 horizontal lines or a filter icon. This feature allows you to refine your search, making it even easier to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for. Clicking on these lines will present you with various options for sorting and filtering your emails, giving you the control to zero in with precision. And there you have it. Now you know how to find the full location of your emails folders in Outlook. By using these simple steps, you can effortlessly navigate through your email environment and find exactly what you need when you need it. Whether you're sorting through folders or searching for that elusive email, Outlook offers a suite of tools designed to streamline your experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.